Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by gathering credentials and deciding why you need this VPN. Speed or corporate access changes the type you choose. Once done, open Settings, tap General, then VPN. This is where configurations live. Tap Add VPN configuration and select ICAV2, IPsec, or L2TP according to your provider. Each protocol balances security and compatibility. Make sure you have server address, remote ID, and your account name handy so you can enter them without interruption. This avoids typos that cause connection failures. You now enter the details precisely. Paste or type the server address, remote ID, account name, and password. If the provider gave a shared secret or certificate, install or enter it as instructed. Once saved, decide whether to enable Send All Traffic. This routes every app through the VPN for privacy. Leave it off for split tunneling if supported. Tap Save, then flip the VPN switch. Watch the status indicator once connected. Verify by checking IP location or accessing a restricted resource to confirm the tunnel works. Finish by confirming the VPN stays connected. Look for the VPN icon in the status bar and retry the app or site you needed. If manual setup fails, install the provider's official app or import the certificate they supply. Apps can auto-configure complex options. If you still cannot connect, toggle airplane mode briefly or restart your iPhone to clear network caches. This often fixes DNS or handshake issues. If problems persist, contact support with error messages and your configuration details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.